I'm excited. Literally because, okay, so we have our ingredients in the blender. We have bananas, strawberries, 2 dates, 3 ice cubes, literally. A little bit of soy milk, organic of course, and cashew probiotic yogurt. So we're gonna blend this up and see how it works. Okay, hi, good morning everyone. I don't have the best angle for this, but I'm gonna do my best because I really wanna give you guys content. So yesterday I went and got a new blender. It's not the one that I really wanted, but the packaging and the branding really got me with the Nutribullet. As you know, Nutribullet has been around for a while, but I mean, look at that great smoothie. And yeah, so I got it of the simple packaging, the watts of course, and the beautiful ingredients that they put inside the blender. So let's try it out. I was really inspired to try the smoothie recipe that they had on there, but then I get home and I realized that it comes with a whole recipe guide. So guys, I'm really liking this Nutribullet. I really wanted a blender with a, you know, what do you call this, container, but they didn't have one in the Target that I went to, unfortunately. So excited about this recipe guide. Let's get into it. We're going to start with one banana. It's not the ripest banana though. One banana. Strawberries. Dates. I don't think these have pits in them. Don't some have pits? Yeah, it means pit. I don't know what that means. It means the seed is out. So that's beautiful. So we use 2 dates, bananas, strawberries, and I'm gonna use maybe 3 ice cubes and milk. Use milk of your choice, obviously. Milk, and I just got some of this probiotic cashew milk yogurt, so we'll have some soy and cashew today. You don't want to use that much liquid, and that's a lot, because it's only going to be me drinking this. And we have some probiotic cashew milk, yogurt, sorry. And we'll put in a dab of that. And that's really good to get our probiotics. So let's blend this up and see how it tastes. I'm gonna add the thyme. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, everything is not completely blended yet. Not sure why, but I know that it's really loud and I have neighbors, so I'm so sorry to them. Yeah, so as you can see, the dates are not blended. So yes, it is high power, but it did not blend my dates. They're still in there. So Nutribullet, you're good, but I think you're going back. But it was nice to try. But yeah, it's loud. Obviously it's a blender, but it didn't blend my dates, and I've been blending it for quite some time. So I'm gonna have to just eat the dates. So guys, the smoothie is really good, but again, my dates aren't blended, so I scooped them out and I'm gonna eat them. Next time, I think I am going to chop the dates. I'm gonna chop them up. Yeah.